Well, welcome to Off Grid on the Fly. And we're going to back off on the boat for right now. Hey, a little bit to do. We got to scrub it, get the ribs off, taken care of, get all that putty tape off of there, and clean it up, rivet them down, some of them that they can get riveted down to the old other ribs. Scribe out in there. But I'm going to have material first to get that, to do that. And that way I'll make my medicine there again and then power wash it. But anyhow, we got a new thing. I got to get this stuff out of here. Excuse me. We got a new thing. I'm putting a fender on the e-bike. Yeah. All used parts always. Look at it. Ain't that pretty? It ain't going to look that bad. I still got something to do. I'm just playing around with it right now. But that's the next project right there. I got it kind of hovering over, where it needs to. I got zip tied there and there. There. On both sides. Right up there. And then, because the last time I took him for a ride, he was getting shit thrown at him. So this is to help prevent him from getting shit. And it's what I got around here. I mean, right here, it's rubbing the tires. So I got to definitely do something. I have to spread that out. Alright, I'll bring you back when I do some more updates. Because this is a little bit here and there stuff. Alright.